Welcome back to our channel. If you've been struggling with broken blinds and want to learn how to fix them yourself, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll teach you everything you need to know about DIY blind repair. Let's get started. 1. Identifying the issue. The first step to fixing your blinds is to identify the issue. Is the cord tangled, the slats misaligned, or the blind not moving at all? Understanding the problem will help you tackle it more efficiently. Now, let's move on to the next step. 2. Tools and materials needed. For this DIY project, you'll need a few basic tools and materials. These include a screwdriver, pliers, replacement cords, a ladder, and some patience. Make sure you have everything ready before you start the repair process. 3. Fixing tangled cords. Tangled cords can be frustrating, but don't worry. It's a common issue with blinds. Start by removing the blinds from the window and untangle the cords gently. If any of the cords are damaged, replace them with the new ones. Once the cords are untangled, reattach the blinds and test them out. Easy, right? 4. Realigning misaligned slats. Misaligned slats can make your blinds look messy and let in unwanted light. To fix this, simply rotate the rod at the bottom of the blinds to adjust the slat's position. You can also use your hands to guide the slats back in place. Give it a try. And there you have it, folks. Fixing broken blinds is much easier than you thought, right? With just a little bit of time and effort, you can save money on repairs and enjoy perfectly functional blinds again.